Hello everybody, I hope you are all fine. This is new video. Today we have this Samsung. This is the problem. The image not stable. We have double image like you see. This is the problem. I show you how to fixing or how to fix this problem. Okay, this is our TV. This is the model of the TV. The 7 series. Okay, let's connect the TV. Keep watching. Okay, the first step, you must check the problem in the right one or in the left one. The first step, I disconnect this one like this, then turn on the TV. We have the half image, then we wait if the image is okay. So this side is okay. I think this side is okay. The left side is okay. This side is okay. The problem here in this side. Disconnect this one. Okay. This one is disconnected. Okay, let's try. Now we must give me the image. Okay, we have double image. Image is not clear. I'm waiting. Okay, like you see the image. So we have the problem in the right side. This one. Okay, disconnecting the TV. How to solve this problem? We must disconnect the CKV line. Where is this CKV line? The CKV line is here. You must 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You must 10 line. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, we calculate 10 line, then we disconnect all this line. I show you how to fix this. 1 second. Okay, you zoom in the image like this. Okay. We take tape like this. It's so easy. Calculate 10, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now is okay. Calculate 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this 10. Like you see. It's clear. Now it's clear. Then connecting the side. Like this. Connect the other side. Test. Okay, on. Oops. Samsung. Let's try if this work or not. I think it's okay. Just YouTube. Okay, once again, I turn the TV. Now the TV is okay. I test the image. Like you see, now the TV is okay. This is my channel.
Hello. Today.
Okay, I show you another time. First, you must check the problem. Where is the problem? Here or here? So, then you calculate 10 pin and make tape here. I zoom it, like you see. This is the tape. 10 pin, then you fix tape here. Okay, like you see, the TV is okay. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and goodbye.